Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Talks. I'm so glad you're here, because today's topic is something that almost everyone struggles with. And if you can master this one thing, your life will change completely. We're going to talk about how to stop scrolling. Yes, stop that endless, mindless scrolling that eats your time, your focus, and your dreams without you even realizing it. You know that moment when you open your phone just for 5 minutes and suddenly an hour has passed? You've seen hundreds of posts, watched dozens of short videos, maybe laughed a little, but deep down you feel empty. You tell yourself, just one more video, but that one more never ends. You go to bed late, wake up tired, and wonder where all your time went. My friend, this is not just a habit anymore. It's a modern trap. And if you don't control it, it will quietly control you. Let's be honest. Scrolling feels good. It's comfortable, it's easy, and it gives us instant pleasure. When you scroll, your brain releases a small chemical called dopamine. It makes you feel good for a moment. Every time you see something new, funny, or exciting, your brain gives you a tiny reward. And so, you keep scrolling for that next little hit of happiness. But here's the truth. The more you scroll, the less satisfied you feel. Because what you're feeding your brain is not real joy. It's just quick distraction. It's like eating junk food. It fills you, but it doesn't nourish you. You know what's crazy? The average person today spends more than 3 hours every day scrolling through social media. That's more than 20 hours every week. Imagine what you could do with those hours. You could learn English fluently, build a business, write a book, or get fit. But instead we scroll. And then we say, I don't have time. The truth is, we do have time. We just waste it in the wrong places. Think about this. The phone in your hand is not just a tool anymore. It's a magnet. It pulls you in. Every app, every notification, every sound is designed to grab your attention and keep it. Companies spend millions of dollars studying how your mind works, so they can make you scroll longer. They want your attention because your attention is their profit. But your attention, my friend, is your most valuable asset. Whatever gets your attention controls your life. And if your phone always wins, you'll always lose focus, time, and purpose. Let me tell you a story. There was a young man who used to scroll every night before sleeping. He said it helped him relax. But every night he'd promise himself, just 10 minutes. 10 minutes became an hour. An hour became 2. He started sleeping late, waking up tired, feeling lazy, and losing motivation. His dreams started to fade, his productivity dropped, and his focus disappeared. One day, he realized he was living his life through other people's screens. He was watching others succeed, laugh, travel, and live, while he himself was just watching. That day, he decided to stop being a viewer and start being the main character of his own life. That's what you need to understand. Scrolling gives you the illusion of connection and progress, but it's a lie. Watching motivational videos won't change your life if you never take action. Reading quotes won't make you strong if you don't practice discipline. Seeing others succeed won't help you if you don't move. You're not supposed to just watch life. You're supposed to live it. So how can you stop scrolling and take back control? The first step is awareness. You have to see the problem clearly. Every time you pick up your phone, ask yourself, why am I opening this app? What am I looking for? Most of the time, it's not information, it's escape. We scroll when we're bored, anxious, or tired because we don't want to feel our emotions. But awareness breaks the spell. The next time you find yourself scrolling, stop for a moment and say, wait, this is not helping me. That 1 second of awareness gives you power. The second step is set limits. Don't try to delete everything overnight. That won't last. Instead, create simple rules. Decide when and how long you'll use social media. For example, only 30 minutes in the evening, or only after finishing your important work. You can use apps that track your screen time and block access after a limit. When you create boundaries, your mind slowly regains control. The third step is replace scrolling with something meaningful. You can't just stop a habit. You have to replace it. So whenever you feel like scrolling, do something else. Read a book, go for a walk, learn new words in English, write your thoughts in a notebook, or call a friend. Your brain just needs stimulation. Give it something healthy instead of something hollow. The more you replace, the easier it gets. The fourth step is remove triggers. Your phone is full of traps and notifications, vibrations, colorful icons. Turn them off. Keep your phone away when you're working or studying. Don't keep it next to your bed at night. Make it harder to reach, and you'll notice how often your hand tries to grab it automatically. You'll realize how deep this habit has gone. But that awareness is the beginning of freedom. The fifth step is create real-life excitement. The main reason people scroll is because their real life feels boring. So change that. Start doing small things that make you feel alive. Set goals. Try new hobbies. Meet new people. Learn something every day. When your real life becomes exciting, digital life becomes less tempting. Scrolling feels powerful when your real world feels empty. Fill your real world and the fake one will lose power. I know it's not easy. The habit of scrolling is addictive, just like sugar or smoking. You'll fail a few times. You'll relapse. You'll catch yourself scrolling again. But that's okay. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. Each time you stop yourself, even for a few minutes, you win a small battle. Those small wins will grow into a big change. You see, the biggest danger of endless scrolling is not just time waste, it's life waste. Because when you're constantly consuming, you stop creating. You stop thinking deeply. You stop dreaming. You stop living intentionally. You become a passive observer in your own story. You start comparing yourself to others, feeling jealous, feeling less than, and losing self-worth. All because of highlight reels that aren't even real. You forget that behind every perfect picture, there's a human with struggles just like you. My friend, life is short. Every second you spend scrolling through someone else's life is a second you lose from your own. Don't let technology steal your time, your energy, and your dreams. Use it wisely and not as your master but as your tool. Let social media work for you, not against you. Follow people who inspire you. Watch things that teach you. But after watching, apply what you learn. So here's what I want you to do today. Take a deep breath and look at your screen time. How many hours did you spend scrolling yesterday? Imagine if you used even half of that time improving your English, reading a book, or learning a skill. Imagine how far you'd be in 6 months. You'd be unstoppable, and when you feel the urge to scroll, tell yourself this. I don't need to see what others are doing. I need to focus on what I'm becoming. You don't need more content. You need more action. The best moments of your life won't happen on a screen. They'll happen out there, in the real world, where your dreams live. So from today, make a promise to yourself. No more mindless scrolling. If you use your phone, use it with purpose. Watch videos that help you grow, not waste your time. Follow people who lift you up, not pull you down. Learn from content, don't get lost in it. Be conscious, be intentional, be in control. Your time is your life, and you only get one. Don't let your phone decide how you spend it. The more you control your attention, the more you control your destiny. Every moment you choose to stay present instead of scrolling is a step toward a better version of yourself. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Talks. Together, we'll keep learning, growing, and taking back control of our lives, one small step at a time. Thank you for watching, my friends. Until next time, keep growing, keep speaking, and keep shining.